Welcome to my channel where I cook recipes from all over the world. Today we will cook Japanese wok with spaghetti. The list of ingredients is also below the video. Don't forget to follow. First, finely chop 200 grams of chicken fillet. Add a little oil in a pan and add chicken. Take one piece of onion and cut into half rings and add also to the pan and fry for 5 minutes. One piece of carrot you need cut into thin strips. Add carrot to chicken and fry for another 5 minutes. Also chop one branch of broccoli and add to the pan. One piece of red pepper cut into strips and add to the pan. Mix and fry together 5 minutes. Now you need to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce and all mix. Fry for another 5 minutes and remove from heat. And we need to prepare our spaghetti. Add some oil in a pan and put 200 grams flat spaghetti to the pan. You need to stir fry all the time. Spaghetti must become a little brown and after add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and all mix. And little by little add boiled water until the spaghetti will be ready. When spaghetti is ready, add the stuffing. Fry for 5 minutes and remove from heat. For finish, decorate with sesame. It's really delicious and so quickly and easy. Bon appetit and please support by like. In 1 week we will travel together to Czech Republic, a country where I spent my happy student years. So follow if you don't want to miss out.